Hey guys, welcome back. Don't you hate when you have like the tendrils on the side and it's just don't look stupid? But anyways, let me get some sunlight and hair Zolins so we can see our future. Okay, that's as bright as it's gonna get. Anyways, today I just came from the gym and I went to my chiropractor after, and now I'm starving basically because I didn't really eat breakfast. I had a yogurt with some blueberries. That's it. So I decided I wanted to make a quesadilla. A vegetarian quesadilla. I have shrimp and chicken, all that stuff, but don't nobody want to do all that. So that's what I'm gonna make, and it includes, let's see, I've already prepped my peppers. I have a green one, but I don't feel like using that. I'm gonna use these two, and I know, bad, I got the frozen chopped spinach just to make it a bit easier for me. And I already put oil in the pot. The fire's on. So I'm just gonna saute everything and add some seasonings so it could taste good. And we're just gonna saute our vegetables down. Careful. Ow! Don't you hate when this thing be popping at you? Like, jeez, what did I do to you? Oops, sorry guys. I'm trying to grab this whole thing and just put it inside. It's not easy to do things with one hand. Oh guys, I'm a plant mama. This is Peter, and this is my aloe plant. I didn't name her yet, but this is definitely a guy. And I have my fish bowl here because I will soon be getting a betta fish. Anyways, so we're just gonna saute this down. We're gonna add our seasonings in a second, but let me add the spinach. I want to prop you guys. Ow! I want to prop you guys up somewhere where y'all be able to. That's as good as it's gonna be. Alright, so let me get this spinach. Bird's eye. Right? Taking it out the box. We're just gonna saute it down with everything else so it can get the flavors in order. I don't know. You guys tell me if that's enough. Is this enough spinach? Should be. I don't know. I think I'm gonna prop you guys up right here instead. Yes. Yes. Wait, what is this on my screen? Anyways, I should go get here. Maybe right here. Yes. Beautiful. I should go and get. I feel like I need more spinach, y'all. Some more spinach. Ooh. I washed my hands, of course. Don't worry. Now I'm going to add some seasoning. We're gonna add some pepper. Just regular brand black pepper. Add this. You add every seasoning to your taste, what you like. I can even add a little Cajun because little Cajun seasoning because I like my stuff spicy. It's so weird, you guys can't see my face. Wait, let's see if I can put you right here. Oh. And then now you guys can't see the pot. What's more important? The pot. Anyways. Open this. Look at that. So good. Oops. Alright. So I washed my pot. Now I'm just gonna add butter from, I can't believe it's not butter, organic buttery spread, 79% vegetable. 79% vegetable oil. And use my spoon and I turned off. I gotta turn this back on. We're just gonna put it on low. Just for the butter to melt. And we're gonna just coat the pan. This part, I will basically be melting the cheese onto my quesadilla, which will be holding everything together. Holding all my filling together. I bought these type of tortilla. They're like medium size, not the large ones. The large ones that you probably get from, what's it called? Chipotle. And then I have this bag of cheese. It says 4 cheese Mexican. This is basically, ooh, focus. This is basically what it looks like. Now I'm gonna add my filling. Alright. It's hard to do everything with one hand. So, I'm gonna show you guys. Yep. This is the bottom side that we started with. See our filling and the other part of the quesadilla. I don't believe my quesadilla will be as crispy on the other side because this is enough, but we're just gonna get it cooking And then we're gonna cut it and enjoy it. Should I do a mukbang of me eating my own quesadilla? I'm so hungry. And everything already tastes so good. Like the filling itself. Like you can literally eat it by itself. But I'm gonna save this for my second quesadilla. For sure. So, I got myself a trainer at the gym. I attend 24-hour fitness. It's in Pelham Manor, and I love the gym. I love that gym. Like, I haven't been to a gym, and I said I loved it. Like, let me grab a plate. I'll be like, I've been to Planet Fitness, I've been to Extreme. Oh yeah, the gym is nice, but I actually love my gym, and I feel comfortable, I feel safe. That's what's really important. We're turning off the fire now because we're done. Yep, I'm just gonna let that cool down on its own. I'm gonna prop you guys right here. I'm just gonna cut it. Do you hear that crispy? Like, y'all gotta see this. Y'all playing with me right now. It's so hard trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with y'all. Here we go. It's so crispy, y'all. Like you can hear the crunch. Depending on what you like. I love crispy anything. Anything that gives me a little crunch. It's a part of the eating experience, you know? So I'm gonna cut it in 4 pieces. Oh my gosh, this is just crazy. This is just crazy. Alright, so I'm gonna try it in front of you guys. This is what it looks like. It's stuffed. Ooh, focus. It's not focusing. Yes. Stuffed. Hot, hot. Very good. Very good. Crispy, not burnt, so don't try to play me. Very good. Hot, 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 hot. When you're so hungry, but your food is dumb hot. Alright guys, that is how I make my vegetarian quesadilla. And let me eat this and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.